Today, billions of people use social media platforms to connect, share, and communicate. However, behind these platforms lies a growing concern: social media data misuse. Companies collect large amounts of personal data such as location, interest, and online behavior. This data is often used for targeted advertising and sometimes shared with third parties without full user awareness. From an ethical perspective, this raises serious concern about privacy and consent. Users may not fully understand how their data being used, which violate their right to privacy. According to the Data Privacy Act of 2012 and the General Data Protection Regulation, organizations must ensure transparency and obtain clear user consent before collecting and using personal data. As future IT professionals, it is our responsibility to design systems that protect user privacy, follow ethical standards, and build trust in digital platforms. Social media should empower users, not exploit them. Thank you.